Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can put your clicks on a separate audio track on OBS. So simply the first thing that you want to do is to of course head over to settings. In here navigate through audio, and then inside the global audio preference or devices, you just want to make sure that you have selected the right audio track. So for desktop it's going to be the default one, and for the mic auxiliary audio it's going to be from my voice meter itself. Now, if we navigate through our output, and basically from here you have your recording, you just want to make sure that you're using audio track number 1 and number 2. This makes it in a way that where we can edit our first track number 1 at our desktop and our second track at our microphone. So what you want to do is to just point your microphone through the mouse right here. So in my case it's going to be this one. Now, of course, I cannot make changes on the recording itself because I'm actually recording this tutorial video. So let's just click on OK. Now that you have two separate tracks, the way to simply make sure that they are on a separate one is to navigate through each audio right here. Now for the first one, I have my desktop audio. Click on Advanced Audio Properties and just make sure that the desktop audio is selected to something like number 1. And the mic and auxiliary audio is selected to something like number. But of course, before you do this, just make sure that once again you have enabled the separate tracks on the audio output itself, and same thing with this one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.